Good morning, ma'am. Could you please suggest some important editorials to read today?
Yes, absolutely. There's a very important editorial in the Hindu's opinion section today. The editorial is about how farm fires are not something which can be blamed for Delhi's pollution. So come, let's have a look. Now, the article says Delhi can stop blaming farm fires for its pollution woes. Now, the article argues that Delhi's air pollution in 2025 cannot be blamed on stubble burning because of farm fires in Punjab and Haryana, because they recorded a 90% reduction in stubble burning incidences this year compared to 2021. Now, in fact, farm fires in these two states declined in their lowest levels in the 5 years in 2025. Yet, Delhi's pollution continues to peak. This disparity shows that local sources remain the primary driver of capital's persistent pollution crisis. Also, the Supreme Court has also said on Monday that the farmers could not be made scapegoats for air pollution in the national capital. Now, stubble burning is down by 90%, as I've already told you. Despite this, Delhi's air quality has worsened. PM 2.5 levels have exceeded the safe limit by large margins during the November and October and November period, with several days in the severe or very poor category. Farm fires contributed to Delhi's pollution stayed below 5% according to Air Quality Index data. Now, the farm fire contribution was below 5% on most days. It peaked only 22% between November 8 to November 13. And this indicates stubble burning was not the primary driver of India's smog. Now, local emission sources are the main culprit. Toxic pollutants in Delhi were largely due to vehicular emissions, construction dust, industrial emissions, waste burning, local weather conditions, low wind speed, temperature inversions, etc. Now, high NO2 and CO levels, especially, they show the dominance of local sources data correlated to PM 2.5, and with nitrogen dioxide and carbon monoxide, both traffic related, shows that rising local emissions pushed pollution levels up. Now, NCR towns also saw worsening pollution. Even regions with little impact from stubble burning, such as Gurugram and Noida, recorded very bad air. This supports the argument that local pollution sources are behind the air crisis. Now, the annual pollution trends worsened in 2025, while in 2021-2022 showed improvement. 2023-2025 saw rising annual PM 2.5 levels, reversing pollution gains. Now, let us look at the UPSC relevance of this topic. So, for UPSC, this is again very important for GS paper 3, which is environment, air pollution, governance, sustainability. Then in the prelims angle, keywords like PM 2.5 versus PM 10. Again, it becomes very important. In mains angle, urban population becomes important, agricultural sustainability becomes important, cooperative federalism and environmental governance failures become very important. If you want a deeper analysis of this editorial, please go watch our DNA video, and thanks for watching.